Hello there. Today I'm going to tell you how you can change the name on your Twitter account. First of all, browse on twitter.com. Click on the More button from the navigation bar. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on your account. Click on Account Information. You will be prompted to type in your Twitter account password to confirm it's you. Under Account Information, update the username currently listed in the username field. If the username is taken, you will be prompted to choose another one. Your Twitter display name can be up to 50 characters long. Click the Save button.
Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.